Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Khan Rumana from Department of Zoology, J.A.T. Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Dear students, I heartily welcome you in my video lecture. Today, my topic is study of phylum Mollusca. First, we see the general characteristics of phylum Mollusca. Dear students, as you know that all the molluscs are mostly marine in their habitat. However, some occur in fresh water and some even found in damp soil. तो ज़्यादातर मोलस्कास जो होते हैं वो मरीन वाटर में पाए जाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ जो होते हैं वो फ्रेश वाटर में भी पाए जाते हैं और डैम्प सॉइल में भी पाए जाते हैं. The body of molluscs is unsegmented with distinct head, muscular foot and visceral hump. लेकिन there is a one example like Neopilina. Neopilina is a mollusca in which segmentations are seen. यानी नियोपिलिना की बॉडी के ऊपर जो है वो segmentations पाए जाते हैं. बाकी के जितने भी molluscs होते हैं their body is always unsegmented. Molluscs usually show bilateral symmetry. In some molluscs like Pila, they shows asymmetry because of torsion, means twisting of their body during the growth. Hence, जब उनका डेवलपमेंट होता है पाइला की में, तो उस वक्त क्या होता है, उनकी बॉडी में जो ट्विस्टिंग या टॉर्शन होता है जिसकी वजह से दे लॉस्ट देयर बायलैटरल सिमेट्री. तो पाइला इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द molluscs इन which are asymmetrical. The body of molluscs are covered by hard protective covering which is called as a shell. Shell is secreted by mantle and shell is made up of calcium carbonate. Shell is always external, but in some molluscs like slug and cuttlefish, internal shell is present, while in case of octopus, shell is absent. Just beneath the shell, another layer is present which is called as a mantle. Mantle is a thin, fleshy fold of dorsal body wall, more or less covering the body. It encloses a space. मेंटल की जो कैविटी होती है जिसको मेंटल कैविटी या पालियल कैविटी कहा जाता है. The body wall of molluscs are single layered. It consists of single layered epidermis which is usually ciliated, and muscles of the molluscs are always unstrapped and they occur in the form of bundles. Digestive system or digestive tract is well developed and complete. In case of molluscs, blood vascular system is open type, except in case of cuttlefish, blood vascular system is closed type. Blood vascular system of molluscs consists of dorsal heart, arteries which opens into sinuses and veins. The color of the blood of molluscs are always blue because of the presence of copper containing blue colored pigment which is called as a हेमोसायनिन. तो हेमोसायनिन की वजह से molluscs का ब्लड का जो कलर होता है वो ब्लू होता है. Respiratory system consists of well developed gills and sometimes with the help of the mantle and pulmonary sac, respiration maybe takes place. Coelom or body cavity is greatly reduced in case of molluscs. It is restricted to the pericardial cavity, means जहाँ पर हार्ट होता है वहाँ हार्ट जो कैविटी में पाया जाता है उसको जो पेरिकार्डियल कैविटी कहा जाता है. इसके अलावा जो है वो There is also a small species within kidneys and gonads are also present. तो टेस्टिस, ओवरीज और किडनीज जहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं वहाँ पर भी जो छोटी छोटी कैविटीज़ पाई जाती है. स्पेस अमंग्स विसेरा, जो विसेरल कैविटी होती है जहाँ पर visceral organs पाए जाते हैं, they contain blood. Hence, this cavity where visceral organs are present is called as hemocoel. Excretory organs consist of sac-like kidneys. इसके अलावा जो है वो gills are also excretory in function. Ammonia is a chief excretory matter. The nervous system consists of paired cerebral, pleural, pedal and visceral ganglia, which are joined by nerve connectives and commissures. Connectives connect dissimilar ganglia. However, commissures connect similar ganglia. Sense organs are well developed. Well developed in case of molluscs. In many molluscs, eyes are present over stalks called omatophore. Statocyst is a organs of balancing is also well developed. Osphradium is also present in some molluscs, and Osphradium act as a chemoreceptor. Osphradium detect the chemical and physical nature of the water. In case of molluscs, sexes are generally separate, but some molluscs are hermaphrodite. Molluscs are oviparous animals, means mostly they are egg laying. The development is either direct or indirect. Indirect means via metamorphosis, means from the egg, one or two larval stages arises, or such larval stages give rise to the adult or young ones. When the development is indirect, it includes larval stages like trochophore, glochidium, etc. Asexual reproduction is not seen in case of molluscs. Thank you. So dear students, these all are the general characteristics of phylum Mollusca.